you doing today, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's Enthuse Me, and my channel is all about doing things for yourself, giving things a go, or finding things that are really cool and I just need to show you. I'm going to make it my mission to find the best tools from AliExpress, buy them and show you the best finds for the week or month.
Look at this little beauty. Wouldn't you want to fill your toolbox with one of these?
I'm going to find the tools that are going to help you build your toolbox for the best possible value and actually be really useful in a practical way. Now I'm going to do a wee talkie about this torque key. I bought this from AliExpress. It was about $10 New Zealand, which is excellent value for a precision tool like this. If you'd need to torque up some hex keys or screws to a particular torque, a lot of bikers or bike maintenance guys will buy these. Or if you've got some specialist pieces of equipment that need to be done up to a set torque, then this is the key for you.
Here it is sitting beside its bigger brother, a major torque wrench. Look, nice and compact.
Now, most torque wrenches only start at 40 Newton meters or higher. So, or you can buy some special ones, 10 to 30, 10 to 40 sort of thing. But if you need to go lower, you don't really have any options except for something like this. Now what it is a little torque wrench or a torque key for Allen bits, and it has a scale from 0 to 10. And what you do is you put in the key you want. So this set comes with a bunch of hex bits to choose from, and they fit into here. This one's a T25. It's a 1 Torx bit. They're quite common on a lot of pieces of electronics and things like that. So what you do is put the hex bit in here, and then you would put it into the screw you need to do up, and then apply torque to the handle. You don't push on this plastic piece because that's your scale. So when you're applying the torque, these arrows here move past the scales, which go from 0 to 10. And then when you get to the torque number you want, so if you want 5 Newton meters, you would pull on it until it gets to 5 and stop. And then you know that screw or bolt is done up to 5 Newton meters. Perfect. And you can get consistency over all the bolts, so you know that they're tight. They're not going to come loose. They're not going to be over tightened. You're not going to strip threads and things like that. So there's a very handy little tool to put in your toolkit. I highly suggest you get one.
Here we go. I'm checking the stem on my bike, well, my daughter's bike, to see what torque that the stem bolt is. Now it moves, and it's moving, so it's less than 1 Newton meters. Now it's 3 Newton meters, and I can stop. And here we are, torquing up the screws on the side, up until it starts moving, or you get to the torque you want to, and then you stop. Same with the bottom bolt. That one just went straight to its torque, so that one's tight. Now, what you're probably wondering is, with the tool so cheap, how do I know that this thing is accurate? I'm going to do a simple test to find out if it's accurate. All I need is a weight, in this case 1 kg pack of chai powder, and a bar that will fit over the torque wrench itself. And I'm going to hang the weight at a known place so that we know how we can calculate 5 Newton meters. I'm going to use this to test and see where the gauge goes to on the torque key, and if it lines up, then I know I'm right. Now, to calculate torque, it's force times distance, so I know the force from the weight of the bag of powder and the bar, and then all I need to know is the distance for 5 Newton meters. Now, if you had 1 kg out at 1 meter, that would be roughly 10 Newton meters. So with this weight, it's going to be under half a meter, and I take off the handle, which is 70 mil long, and then that gives me 357 millimeters, and that is for 5 Newton meters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to suspend that tube on the end of the wrench and hang the bag at 357. And what I'm going to do is put the end of the hex bit into the vise so that can't move. And what it's going to do is it's going to hang with 5 Newton meters hanging off it. Now I'm expecting the gauge to stop on 5 Newton meters, but we'll have a look. Watch on to see what happens. Here we are, we've got the bag hanging on the pipe. We have the wrench in the vise. What's the result? Have a look at that, guys. 5 Newton meters. This thing is accurate. How awesome is that? And all it took was a simple home physics test to know that it's accurate, and I can also use that later to recalibrate if I ever bump the scale or I'm questioning whether it's accurate. I can do this test again. Now that I know it's accurate, I can tighten up screws like this with the confidence that the torque is going to be accurate. How good is that? And for such a low-cost tool, what an addition to any toolkit this will be.
It's going straight to my toolbox, and I'm going to keep building my kit up. Hey, if you want to find more good AliExpress finds or want to see what I actually post up, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I know you'll get value out of the things I post, so please subscribe, that'd be awesome. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. See you later.
Now, if you think this is pretty cool and you want to get your own, there is a link in the description for your own, as well as some exclusive discount codes just for you to buy this or other items on AliExpress, and you'll get some more money off. So ideal. Have a look and check it out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you've watched this far, I know that you're probably impressed with the tool, like I was. Now, I found it at AliExpress, so if you have a look at the screen now, you can search for all sorts of tools and goodies, and there's some really cool things to find on here, so why not take a wee look and scroll for what you want. I'm going to use this to find myself another tool to do another video on later on the Fill Your Toolbox series. And if you have a look, find something like, or search for what you want, like auto tools. If you go down, let's see if we can find something here. So many tools to pick. I'm going to pick this camshaft tool here. Now, I did a camshaft or a cam belt replacement once, and it was a nightmare, so this tool would have saved me a ton of time. I wish I had it then. Add it to your cart, sign in, create an account, use my discount codes, and you'll soon have a toolbox full of great tools. Remember to stay tuned for more great tool finds. Thanks for watching. See you next time.